से पार्टी पुनमकी और माई इमुंगी और माई सागे की क्लाप अमकी लुप अमकी मकी मनुंग दलीब थमुइदगी करी तौगदगी करी शेमसिगे हाइबने चिंगमा माई इंटेंशन माई वखन चिंगबा खोटपा एम एंड ऑब्जेक्ट पुनमुतो मधु तसेंगने चेउन फोंदोकपदु मैनिफेस्टो हैने लौये मणिपुर की इशू दा हजिक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से मेनली हजिक लेरिब से बीजेपी का कांग्रेस कनी अयाम्बा मखोय अनी सिनी होय कांग्रेस ने कुइन हौरपनिना मपांगपुगी डायनेस्टी गी और परिवार बात हाइबगा सु लई खोली अदुमाने जो उबसो फंगनी इवन जवाहरलाल नेहरू चे कुनमंगा प्राइम मिनिस्टर और मंगा मतंग लाखपसी पुंगलान लांदे बीजेपी ने चार्ज तो बदा परिवार बात और का डायनेस्टी की रूल नि हाइने तो खोपा अदुना मोय मोय हाइबगा लोन चपस चुम अदु एनीवे यम शॉर्ट ना हाइबदा कंटेक्स्ट मतम से लेतबनिना ngasi all india congress committee gi manifesto thok pasiga manipur ge present ge burning issue siga akoi yam expect or mani manipur se kar mane tang dolita na lehngani manipur se kar mane santi da koi thamgani congress na yam na phajabo step mayam lokhulaga even bjp bu makhoi na public te pelalaga anuba sarkar form to bu ngangwedra adugumba step mayam lokhulakpa adu ma khongdang le changkadrai na khoyam asa toromane unfortunately haji piriba akone sum mayam uba kopade yengbada public manipur de leiba ko yamna nuai taba ai bjp sunate congress sunate only simply human being and I have my own right to exercise my franchise as per my choice adutani akone pamir se congress ko yimini bjp so ko yimini manipur ke tamak why not you move a separate demands and approach havesina दिल्ली द नोंग तारगा मणिपुर द शतिन खनबगी भाप त तोबुदमाइन तौगनु बीजेपी खंगदे कांग्रेस खंगदे अदु ngasiगी ओनली नि कांग्रेस की ऑल इंडिया हाइब तारदी मसे यादे बीजेपी की माय मैनिफेस्टो से मखन मखन स्टेट की तोंगाली मफम स्टेट की माय हवानु से तोंगाली मफम स्टेट की चक्चा लक्चा फिजे चकचत लोइना अंगकपनी इंडिया हाइब से दिस इज अ मिनी वर्ल्ड the my culture religions custom costume convention tongam tongla leiba ngaktani akone pamambadi like akoi pami this is a whole political war ni kesu kaide thini chene to ba amana ama ngam the people's choice the karmain to amana pairaga amana paiba khotpa ase pami koi alternate se pami alternate administrations means akuna pamambasine ke noti bjp in tour se matik chadre akuna papa tabak chi toguni manipur se akuna shi incentive pigani manipur tamak ta akuna si toguni manipur gi se ko mangna akuna thana chu manipur nam sota hore manipur se santi purkani nakan purung to tashan na akuna hone gani manipur demi legi de khuk de nuaite mayam pun khudung cha do pun akuna loni pigani if congress comes into power hai bu wakan mayam se akuna encourage toba mase bjp mase congress one te alone other parties too even bjp shu amol shu masigu wahi da ko the inspiration akoi the thawai chang ja ko kanghalan ba akoi da awana pum se kahullaga makoi na akoi bu shor hon ba jabagi oxygen da pibi ba adu mo ko expect taw adu ngasi akoi nu uri be se che di udri adu some media do some mache thawa da uba ko pa tori pum ka se tawa da to remove present government of elected gumba kariguma makoi na power the lakpa khotpa tarabad under what conditions and how the congress aicc na asuma manifesto makun are you enemy of manipur any government pansano suppose congress na ngasi administration da lowga manipur government paloma should the bjp utter this such kind of unbecoming or despicable and obnoxious behavior of the word a popular government India manungda leiri mayam shigi khoklu digu leitabo khotbu nuai tabo sirto panbi khopi da haibir badiam nungai gidabni should a personal attack or koi bjp ga kanuga koi congress ka should moi gi party ani gi war da ta no as per the koi indian constitution there is no such word called that bjp is enemy of congress there is no such another word called that the congress is enemy for bjp nothing every citizen has his or her right to choose any party and he or she can exercise the franchise anyone anywhere any parts of the world the postal to no bathanari corner अदुगा पालिबा सरकार पॉपुलर गवर्नमेंट से लोकथोक नंबर होने गनी लोकथोक मंगोद मतिक चाना कोई ये करी तो बुझा अदुगी लोकथोक मीन्स मंगोद इट इज अ पनिशमेंट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रिमूव असिना को नंगेरिश are you in a army general or are you going to coup the government or you are going to the handcuff the chief minister or throw him out in the jail like in Myanmar, like in the Pakistan or like in some other countries. Other questions makan lay. Mashu statements I feel this is a very premature over. Congress party should not have uttered and should not have highlighted such kind of a silly word which we do not expect at all, because you have occupied your highest chair for more than 30-40 years. You were matured enough what you are supposed to utter, what you are not supposed to utter. Chi yamun khangam tui adu nakoi gidar akune ikai kunuba utpa oleram masar ko de yamna handakire. By saying this, I am not a BJP. Who is BJP? We want only a chief minister. We want only the government. Underground the memu sinjir latun overground the log moina administration pai the government pai was they are our government. Okay, tamutir all are same. Adu high punamak reconciliations ki tamakta commission for administrative settlement. What kind of administrative settlement? Do you want that Manipur say in that have you forgotten Congress? Manipur was an independent country, like many other states, or like many other countries in the world. It is you all people. Somehow or other you could maneuver, or somehow or other you could influence our late king. So we were ought to shake hand with you. क्या आप भूल गए कांग्रेस? कांग्रेस के ऊपर हमारा मान इज्जत बहुत ही है, लेकिन आप लोगों की ये सब छोटी मोटी बातों से हमारे दिल में काफी ठेस पहुंचते हैं. We are not happy. You say that this is your drama, but why you are ruining yourself? This language could have been interpreted in a very proper way. ये तो आपने नहीं की. नुवाइते इन्होंने तोड़ी बस मशीदी ताब नुवाइते. ये BJP support से नते. I speak always against the BJP too, including the head of the government. When he does wrong, I speak against him. When he does good, why should I not appreciate him? He is a popular chief minister or in India. He is doing excellently well. Adu nakoina mapu lokthopang amdre nakoina makoibu kanito bang amdre hairege hat atopal londa ngangoi da bolonda yam na thak nemba jam standard like the wahi de toba khotpa haibese noine separate administration ka haibese separate administration chu natte ne pura independent bi thokro ne India de nakoina चीन को की जोगी तो अदुके मन नुंशी बीबो की ताबो की नकोई ने मैनिफेस्टो फोंग बदी नो लोग थोगा कोई लाग नो इंडिपेंडेंट पी करने ने हाइदो remember Congress, we have high regard, high respect. There were many good Congress के prime ministers लेर में नरसिम्हा राव कोई का मतम दकम. It was really nice and that was we got justice. People love him, people respect him. अदु हेत असुमाइन तो ना कांग्रेस की क्वाइदी we are the political satrap. क्वाइदी का चौबनी अकुन हाइड का लोनी यागनी कोकन हाइडो अदुदी इशाग नसागे खोंग द नसाना थांगने जंजन बनी कांग्रेस तो भी गनो जारबदी मणिपुर कांग्रेस ना I have an appeal to you. Manipur the application oibasindo you follow it, you come out one statement that masi all India के तोड़ी बमनुंग से which is not applicable. We are going to issue another one and which is applicable we will accept it. Hai why से मुझे पुथरो नतर बदे न कोई situations और न कोई ये momentum लेरंबा कांग्रेस की फजबल लेबा. I appreciate Congress. You are in a very in a very proper way. Na koi candidates and high so also BJP issue much drama se jam jengmun waigi dori jani. Adu because of this koi kanugi tamakta koi ye manifestos na kayam kaire kya hai beda punkai kaire no ST was mentioned akoi na pambadi no akoi ye fem gi akoi ye mayam gi FMR gi maram dise karim ta pandugum se tawi adigi mayam chathok chashin kari tobar Congress will compensate or pause that is okay. This is the no Hyderabad se koi khangi final solution of Naga group nahi matam digi hobani chehi kya changre 50-60 years changre adu chehi cha mukchani mutung damu oigidur oiridorira these are all cover up or these are all some item koi angang the moithem to bugumna madudi ko nuaite nupa thoba tabde tawgadaba thabakadu mayam appreciate tawgadaba aduta solid when haibigo don't divide Manipur and you cannot divide Manipur. You are nobody. Congress, mind you, all India Congress, Manipur Congress se tabirang mani khalli the Manipur Congress should protest it or should request your head in Delhi sitting sid Manipur dinam kai re nakoi position kai basi tahun biganu akoi nakoi ga BJP ga neck to neck noi lepi punam akoi fight tahuningi thang by to haibanate not by the war of words but in the kana de me popularity the votes akoi yenningi anyone either BJP or Congress amana cards among for us everybody is same underground thoda go overground level vote le pujaman cards so he is our leader aduna Congress masenoi khandabu this is our appeal to you remaining part you have to face the consequences apapalai noina kare you are the gainer kahudre you should understand that no you lost a major chunk of your trust I mean within the people haiba masini aduna samna harbada yafasa mase Manipur dadi ai labak thi haiba tai ai mase haina Congress we defame to bunna chede akoina pamana Congress khangde BJP khangde any party akoi to all are same all are brothers all are elders all are our people Manipur lengak se kaidaba Manipur tamakta sotori punamak se shigriba khokri miyoi singsi tamakta nuai taba saru phongdokpa makoi gi incentive ki tamak khanbiba lon tangdu latan lenambu ki will make an effort to appease the sentiments of the both sections ka haibina maba will see to it that the Manipur restore peace from all corner from all section of people ka kain hair madi yam harau jagdabne madu haire policy to remove present government if elected is it not too much on the part of the government the Congress or especially the Manipur Congress you are highly educated so many people are here but you are damaging your own image we have a high respect your candidate is yes he is coming up okay we respect him we want anybody out of 2-3 of you we want anybody Delhi Delhi atmosphere am kenny climatic conditions are kenny sajat laksa su kenny chakcha laksa su kenny just happen to be I say happen to be within the Indian Union oibanina our interest should be protected our interest should be looked into it not that I affiliate to the government of India or the AICC the lady mogana haibang ate phanek se cheriba agi nipido no nang sari setari yaroi nang akoi chandon mahutta sinduna ta thingidabni nang masina hindi ta ngang chekdam haiba adu imposition ge type ta nampu ta akoi hari soide yagani jadar noi Congress tantokuni haiba wakan leibata Congress very sorry you will not be existing in Manipur khandapiu please think over it is a request to you Congress Manipur don't mind we respect you and we admire you Delhi is a different keep in mind Manipur is a complete different our issue is very complex and if not complicated don't make it complicated high issues I request